enjoy jet skiing.
Guys, we're back on. You will flip this in.
I don't know if they're going to survive this one.
To turn it off, you can hit the red button on the back side.
From a bridge, here's the wood.
Or you can pull your lanyard out to turn the jet ski off. This is your steering left to right. This is your throttle control.
Here's a guy telling them the jet ski
The further
rules.
you pull it back while you're out there, the faster you guys are going to go. When you guys are out on the Wave Runners and you're on the throttle and you let go, the Wave Runners have no brakes on them. So it's going to take you some time to slow down to your idle speed. When you guys go full speed, full throttle out on the water and you let go, it's going to take you about 50 yards to slow down to your idle speed. 50 yards for your reference is the whole length of the dock here from the white gas tank all the way out to the green flag at the end of the dock. So 50 yards is the whole length of the dock here. We ask that you guys stay 50 yards apart, front, back, left, and right from each other and from anything out on the water at all times. When you guys are on the throttle, you're going to be able to turn left to right. If you let go of your throttle and you try to turn, you're not going to have any steering response. These Wave Runners are operated on thrust. You need to thrust water out of the back of the jet ski to generate your steering from right to left. So you guys need throttle to steer out there, okay? So when you guys are on the throttle, you'll be able to turn. If you let go and try to turn, you're just going to keep going straight. Just remember that you need throttle to steer. Before you guys make any turns, left to right, make sure there's nobody around you, especially behind you. In a few moments, we'll load you up on the Wave Runners here. We're going to push you guys off the docks. We're going to point your nose straight out towards the riding area. Then we're going to have you start the jet ski with the green button. Once the jet ski starts up, it's going to go 2 miles an hour by itself. You're just going to steer down the middle of the docking area.
That's
When we get to the end of the docking area, you're going to follow out a patrol ski with an orange flag on the back. We're going to push you guys off the docks here one at a time so that when we get to the end, you can follow that patrol ski with the orange flag out single file. So we're just going to steer down the middle. We're going to go out single file. We're going to idle through the no wake zone. Once we get outside the no wake zone, we're going to take you guys out to the riding area. The riding area is marked off by 4 red buoys. They're big red balls. There's 2 buoys to the right off 1st Street. There's 2 to the left off 9th Street. They form a large rectangle in the back bay. Once we get to the first buoy of the riding area, keep following the lead patrol ski with the orange flag. We're going to take you guys in and around on 1 counterclockwise lap inside the 4 red buoys. So you're just going to follow that patrol guy around with the orange flag for 1 lap counterclockwise. Once we get back to the first buoy off to the right, that patrol ski with the orange flag is going to wave you guys on to keep going. After the first lap around, we ask that you stay counterclockwise inside the 4 red buoys. We have everybody go counterclockwise inside the buoys. That way you guys can stay spread out and you guys can use up the whole space out on the water.
What jet ski are they
You
going
guys
to
can
pick,
pass
guys?
each other. You guys can pass other boats and Wave Runners. You
There's
guys
always
can pass
these
left or
different
right.
jets.
We just always ask that you maintain that 50-yard distance.
Or maybe
Just
they
remember that
don't
you guys
even
need
get the
throttle
pick.
to steer. Before you make any turns, just make sure there's nobody around you. If you fall in the water, make sure the driver gets back on first. If just a passenger falls in, turn the jet ski off about 10 feet away from them. You don't want the jet ski running while somebody's trying to get back on.
The jet ski wars.
Anybody have any questions?
Talking a lot and doing a lot as well.
All right, guys. All right, you guys can start to hop on this one right here. You girls can hop on number 7. And then you guys can also hop on number 8, 16, and 11 down here.
Bye, guys. Hope you make it out alive.
Hopefully.
Does it matter for double, like 2?
No, it doesn't matter.
This one's good?
Bye. Hope you find your dad. I'm being like else, guys.
Yeah, he's gonna go behind you. Hey, sir, hop on 11 down here. I'm sorry. No, you're good.
Here we go. Grandson Alley jet skiers. Amy, Ashley, and Tori.
You guys an hour, half hour?
They might not make it alive.
Sir,
Hour, half
They're
hour.
all halves.
Oh, everybody's out?
Yeah, buddy.
They can't bring their son, so I don't know what's gonna happen to them.
One more picture before you go.
Here we go!
Make sure life jacket's on. Go slow. I want you to come back here live. Okay.
I hope they'll come back to life.
No.
Why? Why? You're not selling it. Don't talk to me. It's literally just... I gotta get the fluids running through it. Brett, do you get times?
They're all hands.
Oh, they'll have.
on that gas. Step on that jet ski gas. Oh, oh, is that nice? Is that them? They're going wild already.
She's scared?
It's the first rule.
No. It's how the world works, bro.
I said we're gonna go like wild, like crazy wild, and end up going in the water and drowning. I hope they don't drown.
Wait, no, stay right here.
Oh, whoa, whoa. There, the guy's pushing him. Guy is pushing them, guys.
Girls, everybody slide back on the seat.
They're in the water. They're going.
They're gonna be swimming a lot.
That's a big
They're gonna be swimming a lot.
There they go. Can't even see them anymore. I think that's them. Where are they? Jeez, look at them on camera.
Nope, they're going in. There they go.
There they go. And they get out of the water. There's other people going. Whee!
Okay, there they go.
There they go. So what do we do now? Just stay
We're
here.
gonna go back up there.
Where? Up this. The water's spreading out. Looks like a jet ski's PA. The city has been going for 7 minutes and 9 seconds. I thought they would get to pick their
Yeah,
jet ski.
they have a half hour.
There's a half hour.
Yeah.
Well, this video is gonna be going to 30 minutes. Can't even get them. Recorded. Here's where they push them into.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna watch them take off, and then we're gonna. You see them sitting right there?
Yeah. That's them right there. I can't even get them. And now they're taking off like crazy. Are they even going crazy? Are you gonna let
I
them
don't
go
know.
crazy? On this jet ski thing?
Okay. Come on. We're gonna go up. We're on Woodard. Did you know that? Look,
Yeah.
Woodard's
Okay.
underneath of us.
Oh well.
Isn't that fun?
Hope they're not. I hope we don't stall or we will drown.
No, we're gonna go up here.
Okay. Bye. Hope you make it out alive. They say you have to be going for 9 minutes and 5 seconds.
Come on.
So what do we do now? Ugh. What do we do now?
Just to wait for
I
them
just
for a
did
half
2
hour.
jumps. We have to wait 30 minutes.
Yeah, they get it for 30 minutes.
So what do you have planned to do?
We don't have anything planned, sweetie.
Guess we're just gonna look at this hay for 30 minutes. Hay is hanging. Look at that shark. That shark boat. Sharky shark. Sharky shark.
Yeah, you see that shark?
Yeah. Oh, there's a green vest. Looks
That
like
is a green
mine.
vest. It does look like yours, doesn't it?
Yeah. This place is nice. This place is nice.
Do you want to walk up and down and see what else there is?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a water park here that we might go to.
No, I don't think we're doing water park.
Look at those beautiful flowers. I don't know if I can post this to my channel like when we get home at the beach house because it says I posted too much videos. I tried to post another one and it said I posted too many. So I don't know if I'm gonna post it right when we get
Or you
to the
want to sit
beach
on the
house.
stroller?
I don't know. I don't know if I can post it today. Maybe I could post it tomorrow. I don't know. So I mean, is that say Shark Town? Jet ski down there. Guys skateboarding. God, these rocks. Look at that gold car. They're the champions because they got a gold car.
That's a cool gold car, huh?
Yeah. Jeep. Is that Jeep Wrangler
This
or
must
like
be
a
the
Jeep
pirate.
truck? Or that's a regular Jeep?
Okay.
I hate roofs. I never saw a hay roofs in my life. Suddenly I can see the camera because we're in the shade. Oh, is that a cobweb? Is that like a ghost in a cobweb? Is that a ghost in a cobweb kite? I don't know. There are some cute little benches here. So you look like to sit, Mom, and take a break some walking.
That's the pirate. See the pirate over there?
Yeah, look at that. Captain Budgie. Pirate Budgie. Amy's going on. There's the Medora. Amy, Ashley, and Tori are going on the jet Medora, the jet ski Medora. There's the real Medora out there. There's a boat out there. It's like blue. And then there's Captain Budgie. Then there's like the waterways, the ways of the water, the ways of the ocean. Look at this like cord. Archie's here. It has a consider extinguisher. I don't know how to say it. A siren extinguisher. Is that cheeseburger like melted with
You want
bacon
to go get your picture taken with that pirate?
macaroni and cheese? Yeah,
Travis?
sure.
Go up near it. I'll take your picture. Just don't touch it.
I'm sorry, guys. I have to put you down. You might be facing the sense. Okay, you're facing the sense.
Oh, wait, I gotta move it to...
Are you gonna take it?
Ready to move it to photo. Okay.
Look at that table. It's like painted. It has like a paintbrush. Oh, someone did paint it. It has a paintbrush on it.
Come here.
That's
Come
a
here, baby.
neat looking cool table. Oh. There's my store.
Come here.
Got some Disney World. Look at that cool white and blue t-shirt. Really cool.
Oh, no, my video's
The
on.
pirate log does justice. Oh yeah, in your Bible and when you're doing Psalms, when you're reading the Bible and doing Psalms, there's a secret song called Sinking Sand is Justice. It's really hidden in the Bible. But Ashley doesn't believe me. But it's very real. Check in your Psalms book. Beach bucket. Beach bucket. Beach bucket. Beach bucket. We do Psalms at nighttime and we sing God's Perfect Lamb. And we do like the random pig, songs. And then I do some crazy sunny dance moves. whip
Yeah. see
smiley one. Not back in the sun. The guitar in the sun. Please just tell me I'm having a dream that we're in the sun.
that? We'll go back in the shade. You want me to take it to the shade?
Yeah. Oh. Bye, go. Hi, go car. Bye, go car. I love you, go car. You're so precious in my heart. Because you are a champion, so we're getting that go car. Probably that go car was like $1,000. To make yellow eyes. They're jet skiing. They're jet skiing. They're jet skiing. Amy, Ashley, and Tori are jet skiing. There's a cool jet ski. I want to go on a speedboat with Mom, but Mom's like really scared to do it.
I don't know.
Future plays. Play the future game. Oh yeah, there's a new Zeb update. Oh yeah, there's a new game called Future Play. It's called Future Play. Check it out. It's really fun. Play Future Play. And there's also a new game. There's another one. There's another new game called Cozy Cone Motel or Hotel. Cozy Cone Hotel and Plays Future. Future Plays. Plays Future. Future Plays and Cozy Cone Hotel. There's 2 new games out on the sound. Roblox Piggy Book 2 Chapter 11 has finally come out. Play it's really fun. And you can finally again go in the snow. And there's a new creepy skin in the chapter. It's like a secret creepy piggy skin. It's called Darla, I think. Darla, I think. And by Delta, that's the name of this virus that's going around that I hate. Coronavirus that I hate. Delta. Go by Delta. I think the next skin for chapter 12 is going to be vaccinated because they literally came out with a skin called Delta. And the white is Mama. And there's Shark Buddy again. There's Shark Boat Buddy again. Oh, wrong rocks. Hi.
Go this way.
Hi. Hi. No one say hi to me. That kid said hi to me.
What?
That man didn't say hi to me. What's that truck? Why are we seeing such cool cars today? It looks like the heat truck that Dad has. But it's like this one
Yeah.
blackish. Different colors and like blackish. And probably a different license plate. Whoever owns this car, tell me their name. And Mario kept commenting at me, hello. Mario kept
Yeah.
commenting me. He commented me and said, hello, hi, hello, hello. I really just want to make this video 20 minutes, but I know they're gonna be surly.
Here, get up and I'll.
But I know it's gonna be surly because it takes a half an hour.
Come here. Right here.
Oh yeah, I can just make a new one. Okay,
I was letting you be in the shade.
I'm gonna make a new one because I want this video to be 20 minutes. Bye. Hope you liked it. Hope you like it on my channel. Probably not today because it won't let me post it. Maybe it will let me post it. I don't know.